I always love the Happy Mail boxes each month, but this month I am extra obsessed with this kit. This is called Santa's Workshop, and it's inspired by the North Pole, Santa's Toy Workshop and Christmas candy and Mrs. Claus, the reindeer, all kinds of wonderful Christmas things. So let's jump in and look at exactly what's included in this kit. So many beautiful specialty papers this month, and we're excited to send this your way. Of course, every Happy Mail box starts with a beautiful Encore color palette. So this month we have Encore Alabaster, Forest Green, Lucky Clover, All-American Red, and Red Currant. And the Red Currant is kind of a pinkish red, like a vintage red. And then we have a sheet of lipstick vellum. This is an Encore product, and you can see it's slightly translucent. This one is 8.5 by 11. The rest are 12 by 12. This might be my favorite sheet this month. This is Basil. It's an ombre cardstock, so it starts darker and gets lighter at the top. It's just totally gorgeous and very unique. Then we've got a sheet of Doodlebug. It's dots on one side and stripes on the other. Then we have Imperial Red Glimmer from My Colors. We have a sheet of matte iridescent red. This is an Encore product, and you can see it kind of has a holographic finish just a bit, but it's beautiful deep red that kind of turns darker red in the light. Then we have our two Encore Glitter Luxe sheets. This one is called Kelly Green, and this one is Neon Lagoon, kind of a mint turquoise. We have Silver Coins Sequin. This has that cool sequin glitter finish. Then we have a holographic star. This one's really fun for Christmas, silver. We have matte silver foil. So this has the metallic sheen, but it's not reflective. We have Basil foil dots. You can see the dots are foiled. And then we have a Basil gingham. These two are the same shade, but different patterns. And then we're finishing off with Pop Tone in Blue Raspberry. So lots of fun specialty papers this month. There's just so much to love. It's going to be so fun to make projects with this for the holidays.
And of course, there's exclusive mystery items. This month you'll get 3 items that match this kit that are a mystery. You won't know what they are until they arrive. This month, the bonus SVG project is a set of 6 Christmas tags. These are extra special. There's shaker elements and wobble elements, lots of fun things. So this is your bonus free SVG class with a video tutorial and files to use this kit. We're excited to send these Happy Mail boxes your way, so go grab yours now.